Hello, Miss Rifa. My name is Harley from JFGA with study number 27023482266. Today, I will make a restatement based on the audios that you have sent. I already picked two audios that I like. Continuing our discussion of different genres of American literature, today we'll be discussing historical fiction. Historical fiction is a kind of fiction that tries to portray a certain time period or historical event while adding to or altering the facts to create a storyline. Often the historical event is told through the eyes of a fictional character, and sometimes the historical facts are altered to improve the storyline. One of the finest examples of historical American fiction is the Little House series of books written by Laura Ingalls Wilder. How many of you are familiar with this series of books? I'm sure you're all familiar with this television series that was based on it. The Little House books began as a record of stories Pat told Laura when she was little. When her first book, Little House in the Big Woods, was a success, Laura Wilder was asked to write a series of stories, not the history of her childhood. The point I want you to understand clearly is that every incident in Laura Wilder's book is true. But Laura purposefully did not tell the whole truth. She wanted to write books that she felt were appropriate for children. What she did was to leave out events and to others' names that were unpleasant. An example of an event that Laura omitted because it was unpleasant was the life of the fourth angel's child. The fourth child was a boy named Charles Frederick Ingalls, who died before his first birthday. The life of this child was omitted from her books. Another example shows how Laura changed the name of people portrayed in the bad light. Nellie Olson was a character in the book later than a real person. This character was based on the composite of two girls in Plum Creek, Nellie Owens and Ginny Masters. Two girls who caused Mary and Laura a lot of trouble. Laura didn't want to use the real names of those bothersome girls in her books. From this example, we can see that one of the ways that Laura made her stories more appreciated for children was to make her story a little more pleasant than her life had actually been. Another technique she used to make her stories more appropriate for children was to simplify the storylines. Now, we'll see another example of how Laura simplifies storylines by omitting events that actually happens because she wants to make the story easier to follow. Laura altered the description of the moves that her family actually made for the sake of simplicity. In real life, the Angels family moved from the big woods to Missouri, then to the Indian Territory, back to the big woods, and finally to Minnesota. In the Little House books, Laura recorded the Angels moving from the big woods to Indian Territory and then to Minnesota. There are many such details and events that Laura felt were not appropriate for children. These changes are what move her works from the genres of autobiography to the genres of historical fiction. In summary, although the Little House books record true historical events as they happen, the series is considered historical fiction rather than autobiography because Laura Wilder omit events and altered names to improve the storyline and make her books appropriate for her readers.